Hi everybody, it's Jake Chisholm with Results Realty Atlantic. I'm here at 1909 Campbells Road in Westville. This American Foursquare, guys, it's an old house. You know how much I love them. No wasted space, great natural lighting. There's a big renovation done, probably I'd say 90s, so there's been a lot of updates with like drywall, so you don't have to worry about that plaster stuff. You got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, nice big dining, living, or you can use both as living, depends on how you see it. Big deck, and also you have 1.18 acres in town. That's crazy. So come on inside. So, what'd you think? I know, I love the classic American Foursquare. There's no wasted space, it's light, it's bright. These homes were built to keep a family happy all day long, and that's just exactly what the feeling is here. So, and with that 1.18 acres in town, I mean, that's pretty rare. So anyways, you know what you need to do? Book your showing, and we'll see you all soon.